The secret to better sewing is your sewing machine manual. Seriously, it is. In this video, I'm going to share with you why your sewing machine manual is so important and more. Make sure you stick around until the end for my bonus tip. Hi, I'm Linda Johnson from Coffee First Quilt Crew. I've been quilting for over 20 years. Let me help you on your quilting journey. First of all, let's have a look at what you can expect with your manual. This is the manual to my Bernina 530. It is fairly large. It also has a coil binding. If you don't have your machine manual, either you bought your machine secondhand, the manual accidentally got thrown out, what have you. First place to go is your manufacturer's website. Check for your machine, the manual might be there. If that doesn't work, check out sites where you can download them for free. I'm going to include a couple in the description. What is inside your sewing machine manual? This manual will cover everything you need to know about your sewing machine. And no, not everything is covered on YouTube. Let's have a look at my manual. These are the presser feet that come with my machine. And I can clearly see that foot number 1 is called the reverse pattern foot. That foot is commonly used for things like zigzags. So all those feet that came with your machine, you're going to know what they're for. Then you'll have a machine overview, which will show you by number the parts of your machine. And I even have a different view over here, which shows that side of the machine. And it will tell you what those parts do, such as your feed dogs and how to lower them, bobbin winding and how to insert one. Very instructions on how to wind a bobbin, how to place it in the bobbin case, and how to place the bobbin case in the machine. Threading, how to thread your machine with a very direct pattern. You go from A to B to C to wind a bobbin. You go further down into the machine, D, E, F, etc., to thread your needle. Again, important information you need on running your machine. How to address foot pressure, if you can. Not all machines come with this, but I have instructions on how to do that. And functionality. However, manual machines also have this type of functionality, but your functionality will be at the turn of a button or a knob. This is the functions that come with my Bernina 530 and how to select them. These are the kinds of things that you can expect inside your sewing machine manual and why it's so important. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe for weekly videos on all things quilting. Since you stuck around to the end, I have one last tip to share. You'll also find a section in your manual on troubleshooting common problems. This is an example. What you need to do if you're getting skipped stitches and bad stitches, uneven stitching, your thread gets caught and breaks, etc. That section alone will help you not waste time trying to find an answer to a question. So before you head to YouTube, make sure you check your manual. The answer is likely inside your manual. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye now.